Growing up in the 70s and thereafter in Georgia, I had your typical main source of Southern enjoyment, which consisted of jumping into the stream, riding bikes, picking blackberries, and trying to imitate Peter Pan. As a child, animation was my love.
If we crash, I won't win.
I still wanted to know how cartoons were made. My first experience with computers and CGI was in high school, where I created a computer generated waving flag. I found doodling therapeutic. I learned to focus and found the gift of passion in being detail oriented. I chose to reject the naysayers in my life that told me that being an artist was a pipeline dream. Obtaining my degree for a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Animation at Full Sail University and brainstorming with fellow creative, like minded students and instructors, I've learned that collaborating is a necessary key for success through trial and error on projects and presentations. I am certified in Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Maya, and ZBrush. Also self taught and efficient in the use of the 2D program Toon Boom. Utilizing these programs, I have created a cartoon, a fictitious station ident, a commercial for an airline, and an introduction to a TV word game, as well as reproducing the open credits for Desperate Housewives by adding in extra images, generating complex masks and special effects through After Effects. Using the 12 principles of animation founded by Frank Thomas, Ollie Johnson, and the little known Walt Disney, I was able to make those creatures into believable animation using rigs. Working in 3D programs gets me excited. They seem infinite. The first time I worked in Maya, and after completing my first project, I thought, wow, this is where they coined the phrase to infinity and beyond. In another assignment, I made a celebrity's
You
head and
can't
made him
handle
lip
the
sync.
truth.
I was taught the fundamentals
Son,
of good shading from proper lighting and complex shaders has enabled me to construct my own textures and add detail to procedure texturing. In this image, I used 3 cameras and 4 lights. For post-processing, I rendered each light separate on an ambient occlusion type and wide, as well as a mask. One camera shot, one light took my computer 22 hours to render. Full Sail has taught me real-world production. I have resolved myself to taking over the world through my ideas, ideals, and animation.
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Just kidding. To me, to see a better world through due process and loyalty, honesty, and forgiveness. Yes, I said forgiveness. We all err. I said to err is human, to forgive is divine. This is my perceived solution to many problems and why I would be the perfect candidate and the best arrow in your quiver for success for all parties involved. I am a problem solver, from character creation to final post production. My name is Renetta. I want to build it, so they will come.